What's going on, everybody? So today I am at the JCC Jewish Community Center getting my workout in. It's a wonderful, beautiful place. So I'm here on a Sunday, and I really forgot that they don't open up until 7 a.m. on Sundays. So me and a few other people are here extremely early. One thing that I love about this gym is that it has an open basketball court. You know, whenever I'm feeling a little spontaneous, come and try to dunk on some people. That's for Woody. You know, I know what he gonna say already. Head on upstairs to the second floor. Hi, me. Okay, so one of my absolute favorite machines at this gym is called the New Step, where you sit down and you just push your legs back and forth, your arms back and forth. The goal that I set for myself to be on this machine is 30 minutes or burn 100 calories or close to 5,000 steps every time I come. All right, so I'm about halfway through. Today was just a little struggle, but I'm about halfway through, and I'm excited. I'm clearly excited to be almost done. All right, I did it. I'm tired, but I did it. Oh my God. Okay. On to the next thing. Now, gotta hit the weights. That sucked. I think I might have overdid it just a little bit. And my shoulder hurt just a little bit. But I gotta keep going. All right. Right now I'm gonna do some ab work, get this gut under control.
You know, you remind me of the Doughboy. If I poke your stomach, we'll make it go. Ooh.
Okay. I had to take a seat for a second. This was a good workout day. I got a goal and I want to get myself healthy, so it's worth it. I love the fact that they do everything here. They got group sessions, one-on-one sessions. You can get a personal trainer. It's fantastic. I love coming to the JCC. It's really cool. Let me tell you something. I actually like this 3D mural type thing of all of these bike riders. It is so clever, so dope. It's got a little cool little sitting area, pool area up in there for kids and adults to come swim. Lifeguard is always on hand. All right, so that was just a quick little idea of what I do when I go to the gym. Me and my wife go every day, Monday through Sunday. Yeah, it's hard, but we got a goal again. I'm ready to just get myself healthy again and be able to do a lot more. So let's head back home. I might stop and get food. I don't know yet, but no, probably not food, but Stop and get little things for the house. If not, then Trina, you might have to go do it, because that last ab one, that abs hurt. That hurt. I did a lot more off camera. I went about another 20 minutes, and one of the guys who trains, who does like individual trainings here, he goes, "Now I need for you to do 700 more." I said, "I can't." I'm in pain. But again, I love the JCC. I love the JCC community. I really enjoy it. This is one of the best decisions that my wife and I have made, to come and get workouts in and just to overall better our health, So this has been a very good experience for now, like the last 2 weeks. And this is just one short day that I brought you all along. So stay tuned. Pray for us. Hopefully we can show you guys more and more results. We want to see more and more results in ourselves, but we would love for you all to come along on the journey with us. And better health, longevity, and wealth. That's me and my wife saying. Well, that's my wife saying, is that she prays for longevity, health, and wealth. So, yeah. All right, y'all. Let's hit the road. So one of the other things that I really don't care for about coming to the JCC, and again, there is very little that I do not like, but one thing that I don't like is the long drive. It takes me about 25 minutes to get from home to the gym, and there's plenty of gyms like right around the corner. But again, there's something about the JCC that I actually really like, so I don't mind taking this 20-25 minute drive. But JCC, if y'all can build one in North County, that would be fantastic. And I know y'all probably saying, keep your eyes on the road. I'm a pro at this, okay? I'm a pro at this. No, but for real, let me keep my eyes on the road. Okay, so I done made it home. Just came downstairs, sit back in my recliner, and I'm finna chill for a little minute. Today was a workout. That was intense today. So yeah. Now I'm gonna do what I do to relax my mind. I'm gonna sit back in my recliner, play my PS5 for a little bit, Call of Duty if you want to know. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank y'all for watching. I do not recommend doing abs. That stuff hurts.